Hello students, electrophilic addition reactions. Now next application is that is halogenation. Halogenation means addition of halogens to adjacent carbons. Addition of halogens to adjacent carbons. It is called halogenation. What is halogenation in the presence of polar solvents and non-polar solvent? Halogenation in the presence of polar solvent and non-polar solvent. Now take the example that is unsymmetrical alkyl student, that is one propene react with halogen means that is bromine Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Here CCl4 is a inert solvent, it is a non-polar solvent. Generally we know this is bond breaking in between. First step is bond breaking, this bond shifting towards right side only. Why? Because of we know that is this back side is CH3 group is there. What is the role of CH3 group? That is plus I group. This plus I group is always electron releasing group, so that's why this bond shifting towards right side only. So we get reaction CH3 CH, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. This carbon getting negative charge. Once again student, here in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is first attacker is electrophile. Now take the here Br2 is there, two bromines Br bond Br, two bromines in between, one bond is there. This bond complete transfer towards only one side, or left side or right side. We get what is the one bromine getting positive charge and another bromine getting negative charge. So here out of these two, one bromine act as electrophile, another bromine act as nucleophile. One bromine act as electrophile, another bromine act as nucleophile. So in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is, what is the first attacker is, that is electrophile. That first attacker is electrophile means that is Br plus. First attacker is Br plus. This Br plus will attacks always negative charge side. We get intermediate compound, that is CH3 CH plus then CH2Br. This is the intermediate carbocation is formed. It is the intermediate carbocation. And after that, here student, here one nucleophile is left. That is nucleophile is one more Br minus is there. This Br minus act as nucleophile. This Br minus is called nucleophile. This nucleophile, this Br minus, this nucleophile will attack positive species side. We get final product is CH3 CH, this Br and this is the Br. This is the final production. So this is the final product. So halogenation in the presence of polar solvent. What is the final answer? What is the final production? That is 1,2 dibromopropane. 1,2 dibromopropane. It is a chiral carbon. Why? Because of this carbon surrounding four different groups are there. One methyl is there, one bromine is there, one hydrogen is there. This complete one group. So this both are one chiral center is there. Both it with a racemic mixture is formed. In this compound, racemic mixture is formed. That is dextro and leo. 50% of dextro and 50% of leo. Racemic mixture is formed. So it is a halogenation. It is a anti-addition. Halogenation is a anti-addition student. So this is the simple trick student, that is halogenation in the presence of non-polar solvent to give a this type of product. And one more question student, that is halogenation in the presence of polar solvent. So what is the product student here? Generally we know this bond shifting towards right hand side. Why? Because of same, this is also plus I group. What is the role of plus I group? Electron releasing group. So here in first step is bond breaking, CH3 CH, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. Same here also same thing, Br2 Br in between, bromine in between, one bond is there. So bond breaking in between, one bromine getting positive charge and another bromine getting negative charge. This positive species is called electrophile. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker we know. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is Br plus. Br plus. electrophile. This electrophile will attack always negative charge species side. So, we get intermediate product, that is CH3, CH plus, then CH2 Br. This is the intermediate carbocation is formed, that is secondary intermediate compound. This is the secondary intermediate carbocation is formed. We know that is the first step is bond breaking, second step is rate determining step, that is RDS, rate determining step, that is slow step. In rate determining step, that is electrophile will added in rate determining step, electrophile will added to a negative charge side. This is the rate determining step or slow steps. So, and of that product, intermediate product will be formed, that intermediate product is secondary carbocation. Then after that, student, what is the next step here? Next step now what to do here, student, that is Br minus, this Br minus, this Br minus is left, this Br minus is nucleophile, but here this Br minus dissolve in water due to the presence of polar solvent, polar protic solvent. What is the role of polar protic solvent, student? That is polar protics, in the presence of polar protic solvent, then due to the solvation of anion, nucleophilicity will be decreases. This Br minus, due to the presence of solvation here, this H2, this Br minus dissolve in water. What happens, student? That is HBr plus and OH minus, HBr and OH minus. That is nucleophilicity of bromine, nucleophilicity decreases. Br minus nucleophilicity is decreases, nucleophilicity decreases due to the presence of polar solvent. So, here this OH minus is the strong nucleophilicity. So, that is why this OH minus, here this OH minus due to the solvation, this Br minus, the bromide ion, this Br minus dissolve in water to form HBr and OH minus. This OH minus is a strong nucleophile. This OH minus will attack positive charge side. This OH minus will attack positive charge species side. So, we get final product is, that is CH3, CHOH, then CH2Br. This is the final answer. So, that is the halogenation of alkenes in the presence of polar solvent and non-polar solvent. These both are anti-addition reaction, student. This is the halogenation, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.